mighty wind is blowing, that's what they heard the weatherman say. You'd better pack your things and leave, there's a bad storm on the way. But they had heard that kind of talk before when it comes to hurricanes. They usually die down when they hit land, just a lot of wind and rain. But this time it was different, it played out right before our eyes. Hope was sinking quickly as they watched the waters rise. Some of them were rescued, oh, and some were never found. Some were just forgotten till the water went down. There were people who lost everything and needed a helping hand. Rescue workers came to give them aid from all across this land. They had no power, they had no food, no water to stay alive. For many, the only thing they had was a human will to survive. 'Cause this time it was different, it played out right before our eyes. Hope was sinking quickly as they watched the waters rise. Some of them were rescued, oh, and some were never found. Some were just forgotten till the water went down. There were some who chose to leave, while others chose to stay, hoping they could just ride this thing out and outlast the hurricane. But this was no reality show. This survival test was real. And until the water stopped its rise, lots of lives it would steal. Some of them were rescued, oh, and some were never found. And some were just forgotten till the water